JoJo Gnome's Christmas Party with St Paul's Primary 1 and 2-1. It was getting close to Christmas and JoJo Gnome had been invited along to Hattie Hedgehog's Christmas party. When he arrived, there was a big Christmas holly wreath on the door. There were lots of Christmas decorations on the walls, like paper chains and balloons and bells. In the middle of the floor was a table with different shaped bits of card on it and coloured pens. "Welcome to my Christmas tree party," said Hattie. JoJo Gnome looked puzzled. What's a Christmas tree party?" he asked. Hattie pointed to a big tree in the corner of the room. It was so big it almost touched the ceiling, but it only had a couple of decorations on it. "You've not got many things in your Christmas tree," said JoJo Gnome. "Not yet," said Hattie. "That's what we're going to do now. We're all going to make some Christmas decorations for the tree." Hattie gave everyone a bit of card cut into a shape. "Right, you can draw whatever you want on your card," she said. "It could be anything. My dad drew a snowman and I drew a star, and you might want to draw something else, or you might even just want to colour the shape in. You can do anything you like." JoJo Gnome thought hard. "I know. I've got a really good idea," he said.
At St Paul's Primary School, this is what we do.
Now, what will you draw?